Hi everyone, it's Renee with the DIY Day, and today I'm going to share with you how I make this circle envelope card. It's super cute and easy, it's fun to open, and you could even leave a message here, you could put a picture, or you could even put a gift card in here. And then you could fold it back up, put it in an envelope, and then give it to whoever you're giving it to. It's that easy. So let me go over the supplies that are needed, and then we'll get started. Here I have my Sizzix die cut machine as well as some waffle flower die cuts. You don't need either of these to create this project. All you'll need is 4 equal sized circles, which you can trace on paper. I also have some glue as well as some cardstock, and this is 65-pound cardstock. Here I have my circle die cut. This one is approximately 4 inches, but really any size circle will do. So let's cut some circles. And what you're going to want to do next is fold each circle in half. Let's arrange the circles to make the card. I'm going to take my first circle, and the crease is going to be horizontal, and I'm just going to place that straight down. Then I'm going to take a pink circle, make sure the crease is vertical, and place that right on top of this circle. And make sure that the crease lines meet. Then I'm going to take the other rainbow circle and place that right on top of this pink circle. And notice that it's the horizontal crease. Here's this circle, and it's the vertical crease. It's going to go underneath this one and right on top of this one. Just like that. And you want to make sure that the creases of the vertical circles line up with the creases of the horizontal circles. Now that you have the idea of how the card is arranged, I'm going to take it apart, and then we're going to glue all the pieces together. So let's take the top of the card and just add a little bit of glue to it, just right in this corner. Then I'm going to take this piece, make sure the line is vertical, and line the crease with this crease, and just place it straight down. Add a little bit of glue right here. And then I'm going to take this portion, make sure it's horizontal, the crease is horizontal, and place it straight down. Then I'm going to add a little bit of glue right here. And then I'm going to take this circle, make sure it's vertical, and then it's going to go underneath this circle and on top of this one. So under and over. Now that the card is coming together, let's add a little bit more glue. We're going to add some glue to the underside of this portion of the card as well as this portion. So I'm just going to lift it up just a tad bit, add some glue, and then glue it down. And I'm going to do the same thing here, just to secure it a bit more. The glue should be dried by now, so let's see what the card looks like when we fold it together. So we'll put that down, put that one over it, put this one over, and this one will go right underneath inside of this flap. Back side, front side. And then to open it, you just pull the flaps open. The last part of this card is I will be adding a piece of cardstock to the inside of my card so I could write a greeting and send this off. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add some glue to this, just a little bit. And that is it. If you like what you've seen, please don't forget to like and subscribe below. Thank you.